financial results. Today, let's talk about the new star player of kuber.club, SLP Assure. This is an investment game changer that will bring aspirations to life. Let me explain. With the power of compounding, SLP Assure helps your small investments grow, allowing you to experience the Freedom Valley vibe on a grand scale. Starting at just ₹100 per day, SLP Assure is a seamless and disciplined investment model that ensures your small investments pave the way for wealth creation. Now, what's the buzz about SLP Assure? Let's find out. Firstly, it helps in growing your money organically through regular and disciplined investments with the power of compounding. A small start can have a big impact. Forget market stress, leave behind the stress of market timings. SLPs are the secret sauce for your stress-free investment journey. And guess what? Earn up to 10% per annum IRR. A pretty solid plan, right? But wait, SLP Assure has more than just your investments covered. By boosting your finances, get access to insurance of up to 2 lakhs completely free. We also assist our members with a fallback partner. Thinking how? With SLP Assure, you get access to a zero-cost loan of up to ₹1 lakh in your account without any interest for 7 days a month, 12 times a year. Wait, there is more. Boost your credit score with SLP Assure, combining safe and smart investments. Embark on a journey where your credit score soars while you enjoy the Freedom Valley vibe. With kuber.club's SLP Assure, small investments lead to big impact. Visit our website or download our app to begin your investment journey today. We'll see you in the next video.